from the colony and they won't let me in. So I left the hive, they took away all my stripes and broke off both my wings. So I'll find another tree and make the wind my friend. I'll just sing with all the birds, they'll tell me secrets of the world. But my other honeybee, stuck where he doesn't want to be. But my darling honeybee, I'll come save you, even if that means you'd have to face the queen. Da-ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum. So I'll come prepared, my new friends said they would help me get my loved one back. They say it isn't right, please have control of your mind, but I choose not to believe that. So we'll meet in the darkness of the night, and I promise I'll be there on time. We'll be guided by my new friends the butterflies, bring us back to our own little hive. Oh, my other honeybee, no longer stuck where he doesn't want to be. Oh, my darling honeybee, I have saved you, and now that you're with me, we can make our own honey. Da-ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum, da-dum, ba-da-da-dum.